Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Messenger on your Galaxy Watch. To begin, make sure your watch is connected to your smartphone using the Galaxy Wearable app. Next, navigate to the Google Play Store directly on your watch. Search for Messenger and tap to install it. Once installed, open the app on your watch. You'll then be guided through a simple login process, typically requiring you to confirm your Facebook account details from your paired phone. It's a quick and easy setup, taking less than 1 minute. Sending messages from your wrist is incredibly convenient. Simply open the Messenger app on your Galaxy Watch and look for the new message icon, usually a plus sign. Tap it, then choose a contact from your recent conversations or scroll through your full contact list. You have several input options: a tiny but functional on-screen keyboard, excellent voice dictation, or you can select from over 20 pre-written quick replies. Once your message is ready, just tap the send button. It's that simple to stay connected on the go. Receiving messages on your Galaxy Watch is seamless. When a new Messenger message arrives, a clear notification will pop up on your watch face. A simple tap on this notification will open the message, allowing you to read the full conversation thread. From here, you have immediate options to reply. You can use one of the many quick replies, speak your response using voice dictation, or type a custom message with the on-screen keyboard. You can also swipe left or right to manage notifications, like marking them as read, ensuring you never miss an important chat. To enhance your Messenger experience, consider customizing notifications through the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone. This allows you to fine-tune how and when you receive alerts. Don't forget to use emojis and stickers. Just tap the emoji icon while composing a message to add a touch of personality. For even faster access, you can add Messenger as a complication directly to your watch face. If you ever face any glitches, a good first step is to ensure both your watch and phone Messenger applications are updated to their newest versions for the best performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.